And a very good day from Australia. My name is Ruth and I am an Australian registered migration agent and a solicitor or lawyer of the Supreme Court in our state and the High Court of Australia. In this video, I will be sharing with you the South Australian Regional Workforce Agreement. Now, I note that the information on this video is not to be treated as legal advice, but it will give you vital information concerning the South Australian DAMA list. So the agreement covers the entire state of South Australia. However, agribusiness occupations will only apply to businesses located in the 5110 to 5734 postcodes. There are 114 occupations on the list, and I will be going through this later on in this video. So the DAMA program operates in conjunction with the TSS, or the Temporary Skilled Shortage Visa Program. But the amazing news is that there are concessions available for employers and visa applicants depending on the type of occupation, and these have less stringent criteria. Concessions for occupations vary depending on the type of occupation. For example, employers may get up to a 10% reduction of the temporary skilled migration income threshold, or what we call the TSMIT, which is set nationally. At this stage, the TSMIT is set at $53,900 per annum. Lower threshold would mean that employers in South Australia will not be burdened with heavy commitment to paying wages that they cannot afford. Further to that, visa applicants may obtain English language concessions at IELTS or equivalent in another acceptable English language test at 4.5 with no less than 4-point score in any of the 4 test components. There may also be skill assessment concession. Now this is amazing. Depending on the occupation, skill assessment can take weeks or even up to 3 months or longer. So being exempted from having to go through skill assessment will save a lot of time and cost. That said, you will still need to prove that you have the skill and experience required for the position. Age concessions may also be available for candidates, and the cutoff age is 50, whereas 45 is the usual cutoff age for the TSS program, and there may also be pathways to permanent residency. Now, it is noted that not all the above concessions will apply to all occupations. It is on a case-by-case basis, and hence, if you require further information regarding concessions for your occupation, please do not hesitate to contact us. The agreement also provides eligible businesses access to 4 occupations that are not listed on ANSCO, and these are identified under the code ANSCO 07499. Now, I will now go through the list of available occupations on the South Australia DAMA list. So we'll start from the top. A, accommodation and hospitality managers, aged or disabled carer, audiologist, automotive electrician, backhoe operator, baker, bar attendant, bulldozer operator, cafe or restaurant manager, chef, chiropractor, clinical psychologist, community arts worker, community worker, construction rigger, cook, counsellors, crane hoist or lift operator, dental assistant, dental specialist, dentist, diesel motor mechanic, dietitian, disability services officer, diversional therapist, driller, earth-moving plant operator, educational psychologist, enrolled nurse, excavator operator, exercise psychologist, family support worker, gaming worker, grader operator, health diagnostic and promotion professionals, hotel or motel manager, hotel or motel receptionist, hotel service manager, interpreter, loader operator, miner, motor mechanic, motor vehicle parts and accessories fitter, motorcycle mechanic, nursing support worker, occupational therapist, optometrist, organizational psychologist, orthotist or prosthetist, osteopath, panel beater, passenger coach driver, pastry cook, personal care assistant, physiotherapist, podiatrist, psychologist, psychotherapist, rehabilitation counselor, residential care officer, sandblaster, scaffolder, shot firer, social worker, sonographer, special education teachers, special needs teachers, speech pathologist, steel fixer, structural steel erector, teacher of the hearing impaired, teacher of the sight impaired, therapy aide, vehicle painter, vehicle trimmer, waiter, youth worker. And now I will go through for the area between the postcode 5110 and 5734. So these are the occupation lists. Agricultural and horticultural mobile plant operator, agricultural consultant, agricultural scientist, agricultural technician, aquaculture farmer, beef cattle farmer, dairy cattle farmer, facilities manager, farm forestry and garden workers, fishing hand, food technologist, forester, forestry worker, fruit or nut grower, grape grower, logging assistant, logging plant operator, meat boner and slicer, meat inspector, meat process worker, mixed crop and livestock farmer, mixed crop farmer, mixed livestock farmer, nursery person, pig farmer, poultry farmer, primary products inspectors, production horticulturalist, production manager, saw doctor, saw milling operator, senior production horticulturalist, slaughterer, tree faller, truck driver, and vegetable grower. So those are the list for the specific area of postcode. So this brings me to the end of my video. Please note that the information in this video is only general information. Please do not treat this as legal advice. We assess each case on a case-by-case basis, and with the ever-changing laws of immigration, it is vital that you obtain updated advice that suits your situation. So if you require advice on how to proceed with your case, please do not hesitate to contact us on the email address below. Thank you, and we wish you the very best in your future endeavors.